Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is a special day, another special tutorial. Since we did mention that I want to concentrate a lot into Valentine's looks, so today we're going to be creating a hot pink, and then we got some special products. I don't have my eyebrows done because I'm going to try, I just received from this brand, I received all my stuff that I ordered from her. Bad Baby coming through with her makeup line. So I ordered a few products from her, so I'm gonna be trying them out today and see which one you guys will like. So I did receive this two right here. Is a red and a purple one. This is the eyeshadow for the kind of like a glitter eyeshadow for the lids that I did get it. And I received this one, that this is the one that I wanna try. In this little box it's an eyeliner, but I always love to use it as my brows. The reason why is because I have been noticing that a lot of the gel liners, they actually last pretty good on the eyebrows, so I'm gonna try that for you guys. So I'm excited. When I got the package, I was like, oh my gosh, I got it. So I'm excited to review this ones, guys. This one is in a red. Look how beautiful it looks. So this one is gonna be in the number, it's gonna be GLIPO3, which is a red one, and it comes in a little cute packaging like this. The second one is gonna be a purple. This one that stood out for me because I have a lot of purples that I have ordered, so I'm excited to try them to see which one is which and how pigmented they are. So that's it, guys. Let's see. So I'm gonna get started with my eyebrows. Let me see how good. I already tried it. Yes, I know I cheated. I was gonna do like a whole thing of opening them up and stuff like that, but I had to go to work, so I was like, let me see how good they are. So they're really good. So right off the bat, I am liking how smooth it's coming out. It's actually pigmented as well. It doesn't give me any problems of doing my eyebrows. I like it. It kind of gives it kind of like a natural look. It's not too pigmented that it ruins the look, that is too dark. I do like the product. I like how it gives it kind of like a sort of like a natural, not too dark. Gives it kind of like a soft brown on the eyebrows. So now let me just prime my eyes, conceal right here on the top and everything, and I'll be back with you guys to do the eyeshadow look with some pink ones. So I'm gonna pull out my Juvia's palette from the Zulu, this pink one right here. Use my Ultimate Jaclyn Hill, the Armin Gorgeous, and you guys have seen this palette already before, so I'm gonna dip it into that white. So to clean my cut crease, I'm gonna use my concealer Porcelain and full coverage from NYX, and it looks like this. So as always, as usual, I'm gonna go with okay, so the next palette that I'm going to use is going to be this one right here. The moment we all been waiting for. I'm going to use very little kind of my liquid glitter eyeshadow. It's going to be this one. Prime it. My NYX. Wow, my guy's not picking it up, the camera. Oh my god. I'm gonna try this other color from the same palette from the Zulu palette. And the color that I'm gonna use is this pink one right here. Liquid glitter on the outer corner. And oh my gosh, you guys. It looks super I feel beautiful. So weird because I was gonna try on this lashes right here. This is my Ardell 204 in black. For my lashes, I'm gonna use as my doesn't feel the same anymore if I don't put my zooted or my either my zooted or baddie lashes. Like I feel so weird. Like I put them on and then it's like, I gotta go back with my eyeshadow is done and everything. Or with my baddie lashes. Quickly like jump it is so weird, you guys. I've been in love with this lashes ever since I got them. Foundation and contour, highlight, and everything else. If you guys want to see that look, brighter, it makes I did just go down the my other YouTube tutorials and click the one that says foundation and face routine, I believe so you guys can see how I create my looks and how I make it look into an airbrush look and stuff like that. So go to that one, guys, and make sure you put a like and subscribe on that one. One thing I'm gonna mention, don't watch it all the way through, because for some reason I guess I had the music loud or so and it started over voicing me like double. So after, I think it's after my highlight, after my after I conceal my eyes, then you can just watch it from there. Like don't watch it all the way because it does voice over all the way through halfway of the video. So you guys can go ahead and do that. So let me just jump on right quick and then I'll be back with you guys. Enough time to put my two lipsticks. Like I said, I wanted to make sure got from that I had enough girl. So I want you guys to do, go ahead and put your descriptions or whatever. Okay, so I wanted to make sure that I have so you guys can put your opinions down below which one was your favorite. I did get so right now I'm gonna get started with the purple one, which is the GLIP17, and it looks like this. So I'm gonna line up my lips right. I got it at now let's go. So right off the bat I did notice that it's of course very pigmented, which is one thing that I always now I'm gonna get started with the colors when I buy something. So it needs to be pigmented. That one looks, because that one is the one that I'm gonna keep everything in the red. So if you guys like this, I do like purple this color. I actually like it with this. Make sure you guys order it. So it actually looks. Okay. I'm excited to try it. Okay, ready guys? Ready? Line up my lips in red. I'm gonna use from Profusion, which is Passion. I like it. So I'm gonna try like something. Oh my gosh, it looks really good like this. I'm gonna try her liquid glitter eyeshadow and just put some like in the inner. Let's see how this looks. That shimmer red to the shimmer is kind of like white glitter popping out. So this concludes my look, guys. Hopefully you guys like it. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you are new. Make sure you give it a thumbs up for this look. What you guys thought about these lipsticks? I think they're very nice. They're for the price, you cannot beat it. They're super pigmented as well, which is I love about that, because I'm like, if they're not pigmented or anything, I'll be like, no.